To mock up a page or any design in mobile using Pixellab, you need to just first bring in the mockup you are using. So let's bring in our mockup from gallery. So from gallery, I'll be using this one for mine. So let's delete this text here. So now if you try to mock up the design or the page you want to mock up into this phone case, you may have issue. This is what you should do. Go to shape and create a shape. Make sure it is within the screen of your phone. After doing this, adjust the radius. Can you see how perfectly it fits itself into the screen? So once you have done that, activate the shape and then go to texture. Once you select texture, select this part and then pick the image you want to mock up. I'm using my own Facebook page. You can follow us on Facebook, Oped Graphics. So now activate it as well and then you have the perfect mockup. If it doesn't go perfectly, go back to that texture again. Don't give it chance. Enable it once and you have a perfect mockup into your mobile.